about it is इसके background के मुद्दे. What actually the क्योंकि every just title of whether it is the title of the poem, it's the title of the short story or it's the title of a drama. And इसके क्या होते हैं? Always it has the two meanings. इसके हर हमेशा दो meaning होती है. Number first one होती है that is called the surface structure and number second होता है deep structure. यानी कि एवरीथिंग जो भी हम जो इंग्लिश में सेंटेंस होते हैं या जो भी किसी का टाइटल होता है, whether it is the title of prose, it's a title of a poem, it's a title of a short story, it's a title of a novel, it has always the two meanings. एक होती है that is called surface, that is called surface, उसे कहा जाता है that is called surface structure, that's called surface structure. And number second one होता है number second one उसे कहा जाता है that is called the deep structure. It is surface structure or that is called the deep structure. Now what's meant by surface structure? Surface structure means surface meaning of a sentence. Means for the road not taken. हाँ वो रास्ता जो मैंने इख्तियार नहीं किया. That is called what? It is called simply the surface meaning. Now what is meant by deep meaning or what is called the deep structure? Deep structure means what actually it symbolically it represents. इसकी meaning क्या है? इसकी actually it is not the road not taken. It is means this very poem. It is about the choices that we have in our lives. ये उनके मुद्दे क्या? उन choices के मुद्दे हमारी जिंदगी में the choices which we have in our lives. It's the good or the bad choice. कौन सा रास्ता हम अख्तियार करें, कौन सी चॉइस हम ले ले, कौन सा ट्रैक हम ले ले, is the right track or it is the wrong track. Now it is today it is a time for the text. That is, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And by one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Two roads diverged in a ये क्या था? Once a time I was what? I was in a forest area. मैं एक forest area में था and what? In front of me, before me, I find two different roads. मैं कहाँ पे था? Where I was? The writer is saying, what is the name of the writer? It is Robert Frost. And Robert Frost, he was a poet. He was an American poet. He said, once a time I was where? I was in a forest. For example, he is saying I was here, then and this very point in front of me I have the two roads. This is the one track and this is the another track. Means I am here and I am here what? Why? I am deciding and whether I should tread on this very track, मैं इस रास्ते पे जाऊँगी. That is still that very point. This Robert Frost, he is in a dilemma. Dilemma means where you cannot decide. जहाँ पे आप तज़ज़ुल में हो कि आपको पता ही नहीं है मैं ये रास्ता चुनूँ या वो रास्ता. And ये रास्ता this very track it leads me to where? And this very track it leads to me where? ये रास्ता मुझे कहाँ ले जाएगा? ये रास्ता मुझे कहाँ ले जाएगा? Who? It is Robert Frost who is here and he has not yet decided on which road I am going to tread. मैं किस रास्ते पे चलूँगा? And sorry I could not travel both. In front of me I have how many roads? I have two tracks. लेकिन मुझे अफसोस है at a time I cannot tread on both the roads. मुझे अफसोस है मैं यहाँ पे इस वक्त at a time in the present circumstances in the present moment I cannot tread. इस वक्त मैं दोनों रास्तों पे नहीं चल सकता. यानी कि it is not possible for a man to travel on both the tracks for a man. It means either मुझे ये वाला choose करना और ये वाला. अब है next one. And be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. Okay. ये next line यानी कि line number second, verse number third, and verse number fourth. It is started. It is and sorry. Number next one is and be, and number third one is the and looked. And looked. ये वाले it is dash means I have written only The verse number second is 2 words, verse number third is 2 words only, and verse number 4 is only the 2 words. It means this very line number second, third and fourth, they started with the same word. They started with the same and word. It's a poetic device that is called the anaphora. That is called which poetic device? It is called anaphora. It is called anaphora. And what's mean by? Already I have told you. What's mean by anaphora? Anaphora means when 2 or more than 2 lines started with the same word. What's mean by anaphora? What's mean by anaphora?
When 2 or more words start with the same.
It is anaphora. Anaphora means when 2 or more than 2 lines, or you will call it verses, started with the same word, is called what? Is called the anaphora. This lesson number second, third and fourth are started with the same word. And be a traveler, be one traveler long I stood and looked down as far as I could. And मैं यहाँ पर, and I was just performing the role of a traveler. I was here because I had to travel to the different places. मैं यहाँ पर था, and I was stood like a traveler there, and looked down as far as I could see. And जहाँ तक मेरी नजर जाती थी, I can see. That is to where it bends in the underground. And जहाँ तक मेरी नजर जाती थी, and after some time, this very road it bends down. ये नीचे चला जाता था, ये bend हो रहा था. It was in a zigzag way. And जहाँ तक मेरी नजर जा रही थी. Next one is, then look to the other. Just as fear. मैंने जब एक रास्ते की तरफ देखा, as far as my eye could reach, जहां तक मेरी नजर जा सकती थी, I find, फिर वहां से क्या कर रहा था? This very road it was bending. वहां से फिर आगे मेरी नजर नहीं जा रही थी. Next, लेकिन दूसरा ट्रैक, he was where? He was here and he was looking. यहाँ से वे इस रास्ते की तरफ देख रहा था and इस वाले रास्ते की तरफ देख रहा. For example, he said, as far as my eye could reach. यहाँ से ये जा रहा था, इसकी नजर यहाँ तक जा रही थी क्योंकि ये स्ट्रेट था. यहाँ से ये बेंड हो रहा था ऐसे. यहाँ से इसकी नजर नहीं जाती थी. And दूसरा रास्ता, then took the other just as fear. And मैंने दूसरे का इख्तियार किया, मैंने दूसरे की तरफ देखा. It was what? Foreigners. It was a fair one. ये क्या था? मुझे लग रहा है ये खूबसूरत है as compared to the first one. यानी कि from this very track, he found this very track, this very road and this very path. It is much beautiful than the first one. इसे लगा दूसरा one है, दूसरा रास्ता जो वो fair है. And having perhaps the better claim. And शायद मुझे यही लगा अच्छा, and यही मुझे beckon कर रहा था, summon कर रहा था, बुलाओ, मैं उस रास्ते से अच्छा हूँ, and you should tread on me, and you should take this very path. And ये वाला मुझे क्या कर रहा है? एक अच्छा लग रहा था, खूबसूरत लग रहा था, and यही मुझे ज्यादा टेम्प्ट कर रहा था, मेरी तरफ आओ, यानी कि मेरे रास्ते से, इस रास्ते से चलो, और ये रास्ता इख्तियार करो. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. ये क्या था? It is called, it was grassy and wanted to wear. क्योंकि इस पे क्या था? ज्यादा घास थी. किस रास्ते पे? For example, ये वाला रास्ता इसने इख्तियार किया. It was what? It was grassy and wanted to wear. And ये चाहता था मेरे ऊपर कोई चले. Wanted to wear. Wear means that is चलना. That is. Thou as for that the passing deer had warned them really about the same. Thou as for that the passing deer. And यहाँ पे इस पे क्या था? इस वाला ट्रैक ये क्या था? It was grassy one. And wanted to wear. ये कहता था कि इसके ऊपर क्या पहना था, इससे क्या लगाया था? इसके पास ग्रास ज्यादा था. And though for that passing deer had warned them really about the same. लेकिन मैंने देखा कि इस रास्ते पे भी बराबर इतने ही लोग चले थे जितने लोग इसके. क्योंकि जब आप जाते हो ना किसी रास्ते से जाते हो, अगर वहां पे घास भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन फॉर अ टाइम बिंग वहां पे क्या बन जाता है? एक ट्रैक बन जाता है, वहां पर एक रास्ता बन जाता है. एंड वहां से फिर रास्ता, वो जो ग्रास होता है वो क्या होता है, वो खत्म हो जाता है, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर क्या बहुत से लोग had worn them really about the same, वो भी उतने ही लिखे हुए थे, वो भी उतने ही थे, यानी कि worn means यानी कि is a past form of wear, यानी कि इसके ऊपर चले थे, क्या चले थे, lot of लोग। अगर यहाँ पे 100 लोग इख्तियार किया था ये वाला रास्ता, एंड ये वाला भी रास्ता भी इख्तियार किया था कितने, 100 people, means same, lot of the people have trod on this very track and lot of the people have also traveled on this very track. Next one is, and both that morning equally late. यहाँ पे भी why was Robert first? He was here. यहाँ पे भी morning सुबह, here sun was shining, and in this very track also the sun was shining. यानी both the tracks have the same atmosphere or the same the light.